Imagine owning a piece of art that's not only unique, but verified on a global digital ledger. Welcome to the revolution of NFTs. This video is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. NFTs for beginners, unlocking digital art and collectibles. Let's dive in step by step. Step 1. What are NFTs? NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets verified using blockchain technology. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are identical and interchangeable, NFTs represent one-of-a-kind items from digital art to collectibles. Imagine a digital certificate that guarantees your artwork is the original. Feel the excitement of owning a truly unique piece of digital creativity. Step 2. How NFTs work. NFTs are minted, created on a blockchain. Each NFT contains metadata and a unique identifier that distinguishes it from any other token. Once minted, the NFT can be bought, sold, or traded on various marketplaces, ensuring authenticity and ownership. Picture a vibrant digital art piece, then see it stamped with a unique ID code that's impossible to duplicate. Experience the thrill of secure, transparent ownership, no fake copies allowed. Step 3. The game changer for art and collectibles. NFTs revolutionize art by enabling artists to sell their work directly to a global audience without intermediaries. They empower collectors with verifiable ownership and the potential for increased value over time. NFTs also unlock new forms of interactive art and digital experiences that were never possible before. Imagine an artist showcasing a live digital gallery where each piece is a collectible asset with its own story and future value. Embrace the empowerment of creativity and the joy of discovering groundbreaking art. Step 4. Real-world impact. Artists and collectors worldwide are using NFTs to redefine value. From digital art auctions that fetch millions to rare collectible cards that appreciate like fine art, NFTs are creating new economies. They're not just changing how we trade art, they're redefining art itself. Feel the awe of a transformative movement that's democratizing art and investment alike. Ready to dive into the future of art and collectibles? Like and comment below with your thoughts on NFTs. Follow Keep Adding Value channel for more crypto educational contents.